ating mga magulang. Hindi lang magulang natin na mamiplis kapag in-honor natin sila, kundi maging ang ating Diyos ay nasisiyahan kapag tayo po ay nagbibigay oras sa ating magulang. Yun yung spiritual spiritual level na yun. Yung level na sa ating magulang at yung level naman doon sa ating Diyos, na na-please natin siya, ay spiritual level. Kapag na-please natin ang ating Diyos, asahan ninyo, may gagawin din ng Diyos na ikasasaya natin. Amen po ba? Amen. So, pangatlo, third reason why you should honor your parents is because it teaches you respect for authority. Tinuturo nito ang pagrespeto din sa authority. Tingnan po natin sa Romans chapter 13 verses 1 to 2. Everyone must submit himself to the governing authorities, for there is no authority except that which God has established. The authorities that exist have been established by God. Consequently, he who rebels against authority is rebelling against what God has instituted.